24-month refueling cycles, economic power uprates, lower cost of plant operations, and improved operating and safety margins. These are just some of the benefits of using enriched uranium fuel with higher burnup limits and enhanced accident-tolerant fuel features. Southern Nuclear and Westinghouse are honored to receive a 2025 TIP Award for the historic installation of lead test assemblies. After years of industry collaboration, including support from the United States Department of Energy's Accident-Tolerant Fuel Program, Vogtle Unit 2 is now operating with next-generation fuel technologies. Enriched uranium-235 above the historical 5 weight % limit installed in a commercial reactor enables breakthrough technology that will forever change the future of nuclear power. It's been a process of many firsts, first-of-a-kind elements, design, manufacturing, logistics, and deployment. But the challenges were far outweighed by the benefits we will see in both the existing United States fleet and future reactor designs. The unique properties of nuclear power have never been more important. And through the enhancement of safety, performance, cost savings, and resiliency, this technology is an important step in ensuring our industry is ready to meet the long-term energy needs of customers across America. Innovation, driven by our people, will set the nuclear industry apart as a front-runner to provide the critical energy necessary for a better and brighter future. Thank you to all who were involved in making this idea a reality.